CloudBees Feature Management allows you to roll out feature flags to your desired target audience, and to further limit the blast radius of new changes, CloudBees Feature Management enables you to only show flags to a percentage of that audience with split rollouts. To get started with a Boolean flag, select a rule set and an environment and define your audience. In my case, I want to roll out the high contrast UI buttons to only 20% of our beta users, so I choose that target group and select split. Then I modify the true percentage to be 20%, and for everyone else, I want to keep the flag false. To complete the process, select Save Targeting. Note that for string and number type flags, you need to define variations before using percentage split. For example, I have a timeout flag, and I first need to go to flag settings to define my various timeout values before selecting split rollout. To ensure consistent user experience for devices inside a percentage, Split uses a default property called Rock's Distinct ID. On client-side SDKs, Rock's Distinct ID is automatically generated and stored locally on the device. This universally unique identifier is referenced each time a user opens the app, so they will get the same result on their device, unless you change the split percentage. On server-side SDKs, it is the responsibility of your organization's developers to supply a consistent string value for Rock's Distinct ID. This topic is discussed further in our flag context documentation. If you would like consistency for users across multiple platforms or devices, you can choose a different stickiness property for a flag rule set. Go to Flag Settings in an environment and edit your stickiness property to use a custom value that is unique for each user. For example, if I choose user ID, then each user will see the same split value whether they log in from the mobile site or the web page. Another example is using the account ID as a stickiness property to create consistent behavior for all users in the same account. CloudBees Feature Management gives you the flexibility to choose the properties you would like to use so that you can have fine-grained control of the user experience during split rollouts. Showing new flags only to a percentage of a target group saves you time and provides you peace of mind, all while enabling you to validate your new code with real production infrastructure and data. This practice is a powerful way to mitigate risk and provides a level up and continuous delivery maturity for your enterprise.